already put them on. I'm letting you know right now, they're not the best looking tire, but you know, welcome back. Got another video for y'all, and today we're about to pick up some rims I found on Facebook Marketplace. A 20-minute drive. Let's go head over there, pick them up. It's a pretty good deal. They're supposedly good tires, $70 for 2 rims. Throw them on the back, maybe put some slicks on them, I don't know. So let's get to it. Alright, so we got the rims here. Now put them on. Hopefully it'll make it a little bit faster, but if not, it'll be alright. So this guy hooked me up. So alright, went ahead, wasn't able to put them on, but here's a closer look at the tires and the rims. And so they do need a little bit of, you know, cleaning. So I'm gonna go in Walmart, grab some cleaning stuff, and head to the car wash, clean them up, and then see if some tire shop or something can put them on. They are kind of, you know, not too good, but we'll see. The truck's dirty, so we need to wash it as well. So let's get to it. I was able to find what I need at dollar store, and if you want a good tire cleaner, this is what you need to get right here. I wasn't able to get the small bottle. This is all they had, so we're gonna have to work with this, but this right here does magic. So let's go ahead and head to the car wash and start cleaning. Alright, so we're at the car wash, ready to clean the wheels. One thing I don't have right now is a sprayer, so I'm gonna show you how to clean it. Just pour it on there. Usually spray it on there and then scrub it, but for this I'm gonna pour it on there, use that brush, to clean it, so hopefully it does a good job. So you can see it's got bubble. Anyways, see how dirty it is, and that's a soft brush. So imagine what it'd be like if you had a sprayer and a good stiff bristle brush. So we'll go ahead and put money in there so we can start cleaning these. Another thing I wouldn't do, guys, is wash in your white shoes. I try to keep them clean as possible. but but you can see how much dirt came out, and all I did was put some of that on it, scrub it with that brush. It came out pretty good. We'll see when it dries up a little bit. So there you go. So I'm gonna wipe them down with the dry rag real quick, and then get back to y'all. Just like that, they're all wiped down, and they look pretty good. This one's definitely the better tire. This one's concerning. I don't know if I'm gonna drive on these. Might get some different tires for both of them. Now I'm gonna head back home, put the tires on, see how they look, see how it drives, then we'll go from there. Alright guys, we're back. Time to get the rims on, so let's put them on real quick. Alright guys, well, I already put them on. I'm letting you know right now, they're not the best looking tire, but they'll do. There they are. You can definitely see cow truck's a lot better now. And she might be a little bit lower in the back now, so that's just weird looking. But yeah, there she is. Imagine if there was a slick on this thing. Maybe I might paint them black. Let me know down on the comments down below what y'all think. Should I paint them black, or should I keep them chrome? And y'all let me know. We can definitely see the frame more, cow tracks, all that other good stuff. So I'm about to drive around real quick, let you know how it is, see if it's any better. So let's do it. It does drive a little bit. It feels a little bit quicker on throttle. Definitely feels a lot lighter, but it doesn't look as good. Let me show you. If it was on a slick with a taller tire, maybe it looked better. But hey, that's not bad. So I'm about to go rip it around, and then this will be it for the video. Like I said, let me know if I should paint them black or should I keep them chrome. So like I said, like and subscribe, comment down below. See ya.